friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine and I am going to whip together a healthy breadstick. Is there such a thing? Yes. It is going to be made out of riced cauliflower, some eggs, and some other spices. So I thought I'd bring you with, so come on with. Okay friends, we're going to put this together. So I've already heated up my riced cauliflower and it's just about 2 cups. So I'm gonna give it a little swirl in my food processor to make it even more fine. And my spatula. We're just gonna zip it a couple of times, pulse it, and then we're gonna get it mixed together. Okay, so it's just a little bit more fine than what it comes as, which is good. So I have my toaster oven preheating to 425, maybe I said that. And I'm just gonna combine things in a bowl here. So I have separated out my mozzarella cheese. So it is 1 cup, but I'm just gonna do like 3/4 into the mixture here. And then the last quarter is gonna go on at the end. All right, there's that. So we're gonna take 2 eggs and get those in. 1, oops, and 2. It's a super simple, healthy recipe. And then we're gonna do a dash of salt. This is my Redmond salt. If you want to see my Redmond salt. And then we're just gonna do a dash of pepper. Got some organic black pepper here. And a dash meaning like whatever to taste. I love pepper, so I usually do a little bit more. So that's my organic pepper. And then it is oregano leaves, and I'm just gonna kind of dollop those around as well. Okay, and my oregano. And pretty much you just mix it. Actually, I'm gonna switch out. So mix until fully absorb those eggs. I like to do this first before I put the cheese in, so then I know that eggs are definitely in there and mixed up well. Okay, looks perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna get 3/4 of a cup. It calls for 1 cup, but I've got that last little quarter set aside for right before it's done. So we'll just shimmy that in. And you can obviously change the recipe, like if you wanted to add garlic or what have you, but this is just kind of simple. Love oregano, kind of gonna be tasting Italian-ish. And then, all right, that cheese is all mixed in. And then on a greased pan, I just have my little pan that's gonna go in my toaster oven. I'm going to scoop this out and make sure it's even and spread it thin. Okay, and spread it out. And try to make sure that's even. It is pretty soupy, but that's fine. It'll heat up nicely. So speaking of heating up, so my organic riced cauliflower that I had in the package, and actually these packages, this is a 12-ounce package, and that literally was 2 cups. So that's why I like this recipe too, because I don't have to do a lot of messing around. All right, so cover up all the holes. I did put some foil down to help, and I did put a little olive oil on that as well. All right, and then into the toaster oven it will go. Okay, we're gonna get it in and set the timer for 25 minutes. Okay friends, I am going to get this out and put the cheese on. Oh, perfect timing. I did not plan that, by the way. Close that up to keep the heat in. And we're just putting this last little bit of cheese on the top. Use up everything that we've got. Kind of spread it around. And you can put more. I'm just kind of, like I said, kind of utilizing what we have. And then I'm going to put it back in for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's looking like it's done here. Everything is melted on top. So we'll let it cool for a minute and get it cut up. Hey friends, another super simple recipe trying to use the things that we have up at the house here. So we did riced cauliflower and pulverized it a little bit more, a couple of eggs and some cheese and some spices. Can't really get much more simple than that. They turned out great, roasty, toasty, delicious, and I don't know, you can dip it, you can change the flavor on it, whatever you want to do. So appreciate you coming with me, and if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care, and God bless. Good. Friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Kitchen. Spit it out, girl. Hey friends. Oh dear. Ugh. Oh boy. Golly. Friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Mine name. Oh boy, it's going great. Oh, whoops. I didn't know I was rolling. I'm eating the rest of it.